yesterday it was New Zealand, Euro versus New Zealand that I analyzed. And if you watch the video, you would see, where the analysis came from, exactly from here. And then I analyzed that, this area then was the highest high, that if price was able to break above here, that definitely it means every analysis for a sell has been destabilized. And then my 70-30 rule, or my 70-30% rule, ruled that price was going to fall, which, as you can see, it's still falling for those of you that are selling. Today, I think it's a different ball game, because I'm going to be looking at USD Japanese yen today, and also for a sell opportunity. And in this regard, this area, I purposely marked out this area, because this is where I really want to focus on. The previous week high, okay, the previous week high of 151.964, has been the area where price has been unable to break. All right, so not being able to break above that means that we can see that as a key area. All right, now based on the analysis here, you can see this was an area where price first touched the 151.964 area, and also it came and it touched here again. Now, as a financial trader, you can see a lot of consolidations, of price ranging, in this zone like this. It has not passed. Every candle aside here has not, actually, gone below this area. All right, you can see so many trials, and also here. So we'll be looking for what you should be looking for is a breakout from that. If price breaks above here, I'm gonna draw it again. All right, so let's keep it this way. So that if price breaks above, if price eventually breaks above here, okay, we'll be looking to sell, to buy, to continue buying USD Japanese yen. And also that if price breaks below this point, definitely it means that from 1 hour time frame even up to 4 hours and daily time frame, that we are out of the consolidation, that a sell, price going south has been initiated. But I always use my 70-30 rule, and that is me looking for an opportunity to weigh in which currency that I'm going to my trading, that is going to definitely favor my trading. So here I want to say that I have a 70 also, like I did yesterday, I have a 70-30 rule. In this regard, I'll be looking also to sell like I did yesterday. All right, so since this area has been tested twice, in a 1 hour time frame, and twice is not enough, but yes, based on my analysis, price has tested it twice, and if it doesn't go past it and I get a clear indication to sell, definitely I am going to sell. All right, basically anywhere above 151.60 price level, or support and reverse level. Okay, that means if price comes below here, let's just say below here, and let me make it clean so that we can understand. All right, so that means if price comes below this point, breaks below 151.60, and does a little pullback, then it's a good indication for me to, sell from there. But aside that, if it keeps going up, we'll keep looking for buy opportunities. So that is just as simple as it is. That is as simple as it is. So we are just going to keep up with the analysis that we have, just like we did yesterday, and see how far price is definitely going to take us. Euro New Zealand is actually still going down. You can see, yeah, it's still going down, and in this area I might be looking at, let me go to 15-minute time frame. This is my revenue. Yeah, my revenue goal area. That is actually an area where I can begin to think of taking profits. All right, so the revenue goal area is an area where I can begin to take profits. So here is 1, here is 2. Maybe I should design another to make it 3 or 4, but I think this is enough. You taking this amount of pip over one currency pair, from maybe around here to here, it's about 118-20 pips. All right, so watch the video that I did yesterday. You will understand what this means, where I entered from, and how far I said price will definitely go, and my 70-30 rule. Okay, so the same is what we are going to use for, the same method is what we're going to use for USDJPY. And if by our analysis, and I also do the same 70-30 rule and look for price around here, it's gonna be around 80 to 107 pips in profits. Okay, so thank you guys, and thank you again, and also I want to say thank you again. Bye.